Peace, peace, beautiful souls. My name is Tracy Emerald, and the message I want to share today is, sometimes we have to go through the worst of us in order to bring out the best of us. Some of us on this planet, we really feel the sting of the iron. We really feel those low blows in what we call life. And, some of us, we don't like to deal with the sting. We don't like to deal with the pain. We don't like to deal with the hard iron that hurt us, right? But we can't neglect it, because when you neglect it, you're allowing that piece of you to rust and get old, have no use. But when you nurture it and you care for it, you're able to take that, and that iron matures and it gets stronger, and then you're able to use it. Your pain is a tool. Use that tool to become the best part of who you are, to be the best version